Okay, if you are starting out and you're asking yourself, okay, I'm looking for some information about copywriter and what kind of skills do people need, or what kind of skills company needs from me, and how can you find those things? So I'm going to talk about it in this video. If you're new to this channel, seriously subscribe right now, okay? And if you like the video, like it. So I'm going to do this by explaining some things. What you need to do is, when you are looking for those kind of information, keep in mind company are looking for you, and most of the time in the vacancy they will put the skills that that they need, or what they need exactly. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google, and as you can see here, this is Google. Let's go to Indeed. I think that's the best way to do it. Indeed. And it's a job search website. You can do it with whatever you're comfortable with it. So I'm doing it with Indeed. I'm not sponsored by them or whatever, so I'm just saying. So you see here, my IP is in VN. So don't worry about it. Doesn't matter where your IP is. Just type here copywriter. And when you type it, you can see they're looking for a copywriter here. Copyright freelancer. VN is in Vietnam. So it doesn't really matter. You can do it in the US or other country, doesn't matter. What important is, you see this is a vacancy, and they will put in what they really need from you. It can work with every company. So with this information, you know, okay, when they look for a copywriter, what type of copywriter are you looking for? An SEO copywriter, content copywriter, and all those stuff. So this is technically what you can do in order to get those information. If you have a question about this, what you can do is just go in the Discord, and in the Discord you can create a ticket and ask me a question about it, and see if I can help you or not. If you're new to this channel and you like this kind of video, seriously subscribe. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next one.